Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. As you know, we are studying new syllabus mathematics. It's book 3 of 7th edition. We have started chapter number 1, which is quadratic equation and function. Today is our lesson number 3. In this lesson, we will study solving quadratic equations by quadratic formula. In the previous lessons, we have studied solving quadratic equation by using completing square method. Today we will solve quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, which is another method of solving quadratic equation. These are the points which we have studied in the previous lessons. Equation, types of equations which are included in your syllabus, and we are studying quadratic equations. Forms of equation, this is the standard form, factor form, completed square form, and pure quadratic. And then method of solving quadratic equation. When equation is given in standard form, we can solve this equation by using factorization method, which we have studied in book 2. Then completing square method, which we have studied in the previous lessons, and today we will study solving quadratic equation by using a formula which is called quadratic formula. We are studying quadratic equation, and today we will study the method of solving this equation, and this method is by using the formula. The quadratic equation in standard form is this: when all the three terms are on the left hand side and right hand side of the equation is 0, then that equation is called a quadratic equation in standard form. The coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is taken as b, and constant term is c. So this equation can be solved by the formula known as quadratic formula given below. This is the formula: x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here from the equation we will put the values of a, b and c in this formula, and this is x. If the variable in the equation is x, you will write x is equal to this formula, and if the variable is y, then you will write y is equal to this. You will use the letter which is the variable of the equation. Minus b, this is negative here in the formula. Minus b, b is the coefficient of x, plus minus sign, square root of b square minus 4ac. A is the coefficient of x square and c is the constant term over 2a. So using this formula we can solve this equation. In paper 1, whenever you are asked to solve the quadratic equation, you will solve by using the factorization method. And in paper 2, if you are asked to solve the quadratic equation and give the answer correct to 2 decimal places or more or less decimal places, then you will use the formula to solve the equation. Then no need to solve the question by using completing square method. तो पहले आपने फैक्टराइज करनी है इक्वेशन, लेकिन जब पेपर में आपको 2 और 3 डेसिमल प्लेसेस तक आंसर देने को कहा होगा तो फिर हम ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. ये एग्जांपल है 2x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. This is an equation which is written in standard form. So we will solve this by using this formula. Because this equation, this expression on the left hand side cannot be factorized, so we will take the value of a 2, which is the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is b, which is negative 5, so we will take minus 5 as b, and constant term is also a negative number, so its c is also a negative minus 6. Use this formula, put the values here. Look, in the formula b is already negative, so negative into within bracket we will put the value of b, which is minus 5, plus minus स्क्वायर ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर. देखिए जब भी नेगेटिव नंबर का स्क्वायर लेना है तो आपने कैलकुलेटर में पहले ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट करनी है, बीच में नेगेटिव नंबर लेंगे और ब्रैकेट क्लोज करके उसका स्क्वायर लेंगे तो आपके पास पॉजिटिव आंसर आएगा, बिकॉज स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नेगेटिव नंबर इज ऑलवेज अ पॉजिटिव नंबर. लेकिन अगर आप सिर्फ -5 का स्क्वायर ले लेंगे तो वो आपके पास -25 आपको देगा. तो आपका क्वेश्चन जो है वो गलत हो जाएगा. तो टेकिंग स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नेगेटिव नंबर, यूज ब्रैकेट and then take the square of the bracket. -4 into 2 into -6 over 2a. अब इसको आपने सिंप्लीफाई करना है. माइनस और माइनस +5 प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर ऑफ -5 इज 25. -4 multiplied by 2 is -8. -8 multiplied by -6 is +48. अगर तो यहाँ पे 4ac में 2 नेगेटिव नंबर्स होंगे तो आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा. अगर तीनों नेगेटिव हैं, 4 भी नेगेटिव, 2 भी नेगेटिव, 6 भी नेगेटिव, तो फिर आपके पास नेगेटिव आंसर ही आना है. अब 25 प्लस 48 को ऐड करेंगे तो यू विल गेट दिस. एंड देन 5 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 73 इज 8.544. 5 प्लस 8.544 और 5 माइनस 8.544 over 4. सो दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर. इस स्टेप के बाद डायरेक्ट आप कैलकुलेटर से यहाँ पे ये वाला आंसर ले लोगे. ये बीच वाले स्टेप्स करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट विल टेक टाइम एंड कंज्यूम योर स्पेस इन द पेपर. सो ऑन द कैलकुलेटर प्रेस 5. फ्रैक्शन वाला बटन पहले प्रेस करेंगे. न्यूमरेटर में 5 प्लस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 73, जो भी आंसर आ जाए उसको 4 पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो उस आंसर में से 3 सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स तक आप आंसर ले लेंगे. फिर 5 minus square root of 73 divided by 4, you will get this answer. So these steps are not needed, not required. You just have to write the formula, put the correct values, simplify to get this and this, and from here you can write direct the values of x. Now let's solve questions of exercise 1b by using this formula. In this question you are asked to solve these questions. x square plus 4x plus 1. वो सिंपल आपको ये कहेगा कि solve the equation. ये नहीं कहेगा कि इस मेथड से सॉल्व करें. मेथड आपने खुद से डिसाइड करना है. फर्स्ट यू विल चेक वेदर द एक्सप्रेशन ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कैन बी फैक्टराइज्ड और नॉट. अगर तो ये फैक्टराइज हो जाता है तो फिर आप फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हो. अगर ये फैक्टराइज नहीं होता, जो कि नहीं होता इस केस में, तो देन यू विल नॉट गो फॉर कंप्लीटेड के मेथड. स्ट्रेट अवे गो टू कंप्लीट क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला. Take the values of a, b and c. Coefficient of x square is 1, so value of a is 1. Coefficient of x is 4, so value of b is 4, and constant term is 1, value of c is 1. Use the formula. Put these values in this formula. Simplify and get this answer. -4 square root of 12 over 2. -4 square root of 12 is 3.464. because there is plus minus sign, so one value with plus and one with negative, and simplify to get this answer. After this you can write directly, solve on your calculator and write this answer. This step is not required here. So you just have to take the values of ABC, write formula, put the values, simplify to get this answer, and from here you will directly write these values of x, which are the answers of this equation. In D part, again there is an equation which is in standard form, so we will take the values of a, b and c. Value of a is 3, value of b is -5, value of c is -17. Use the quadratic formula and put these values in this formula and simplify to get x is equal to 5 plus minus square root of 229 over 6. From here you can direct go to the final answer, 5 plus square root of 229, but I'll perform another step. 5 plus square root of 229, 15.133, or 5 minus 15.133 over 6 आ जाएगा. इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो यू विल गेट 3.36 and x is equal to -1.69, which is the final answer. -5xk plus 10x minus 2 equal to 0. Again this equation is in standard form. you can change the sign of the square term by changing the sign of all the terms. 5x square minus 10x plus 2 equal to 0, and then take the values of ABC, or you can take the values of A, B, C as it is. Now because the coefficient of x square is minus 5, so value of A is minus 5, value of B is 10, and value of C is minus 2. Use the formula which is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Put these values of a, b and c in this formula. Simplify and get this step. Now take the square root of 60 and write x is equal to minus 10 plus 7.746 over minus 10, or x is equal to minus 10 minus 7.746 over minus 10. Solve this and get the final answer. This will give you 0.225 and this will give you 1.77. ये भी नेगेटिव, नीचे भी नेगेटिव है, तो नेगेटिव डिवाइडेड बाय नेगेटिव इज पॉजिटिव. इसका आंसर भी नेगेटिव आना है क्योंकि 10 का साइन नेगेटिव है और नीचे भी नेगेटिव है, तो नेगेटिव नेगेटिव डिवाइडेड बाय पॉजिटिव आंसर. Now hidden quadratic equation, we have studied this in D2 as well. The standard form of quadratic equation is this: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. But sometimes the equation is not written in this form. We have to simplify, we have to perform some steps before getting this before getting to this type of an equation. All the terms are not on the left hand side and right hand side is not 0 like this. So we will transfer all the terms from right hand side to left hand side, and we will make the right hand side 0. There is a bracket, we will remove the bracket and transfer all the terms on left hand side, simplify, and we will get an equation which is in standard form. Again there is a bracket, remove the brackets, simplify and get the final answer, final equation in standard form. If there are fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions, we will simplify and get an equation of this type in which is in standard form, and then we will take the values of a, b, c, use the formula to find the final answer to solve this equation. The answer of this quadratic equation will actually be the answers of this equation. This is question number 2, it's C part. The equation is 8x square minus equal to 3x plus 6. The equation is not in standard form. Transfer all the terms from right hand side to left hand side and get the equation x square 8x square minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Now this equation is in standard form. Check whether you can factorize or not. Minus 48, for minus 48 get two factors such that their product is minus 48 and their sum is minus 3. We do not have such two factors of minus 48, so we will use the quadratic formula to solve this equation, where the value of a is 8, value of b is minus 3, and value of c is minus 6. Write the formula and put these values of a, b, c in the formula and simplify this. We will get minus minus multiplied will give us plus 3 plus minus square root of minus square root of the square of minus 3 is 9, and minus 4 multiplied by 8 multiplied by minus 6 will give us plus 192 over 16. 9 plus 192 is 201. X is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 201 over 16. Taking the square root of 201, we will get x is equal to 3 plus 14.177 over 16, or x is equal to 3 minus 14.177 over 16. Simplifying this, we will get 1.07, and simplifying the second value of x, we will get minus 0.699. Correct to three significant figures. E part of question number 2 is 9 minus 5x square is equal to minus 3x. Write this equation in standard form by transferring -3 from right hand side to left hand side and rearranging the terms. Minus 5x square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. You can keep this equation as it is, where a is -5, b is +3 and c is +9. Or you can change the sign of x square from negative to positive. Doing this, we will have to change the signs of all the terms of this left hand side. So we will get 5x square minus 3x minus 9 equal to 0, where a is 5, b is -3 and c is -9. Put these values in the quadratic formula. Minus into minus b, which is -3, square plus minus square root of the square of -3 minus 4ac over 2a. A is 5. Simplify this and get the final answer, which is x is equal to 1.67 or x is equal to minus 1.07. So this method is very simple. You just have to write the equation in standard form. It is, if it is not written normally in question, the equation is given in standard form. You just have to take the values of a, b, c, write the formula. You have to substitute the values in the formula and simplify to get the value of x. In question number 3 again, this is a hidden quadratic equation. Quadratic तो है, देखिए x को x से multiply करेंगे तो we will get x square. But this is not in standard form. So to write this equation in standard form, we will first have to remove these bracket. A plus b into a minus b. X plus 1 और x minus 1 को multiply करेंगे तो we will get x square minus 1. Now remove this bracket, we will get 3x square minus 3 equal to 7x. Transfer 7x from right hand side to left hand side. We will get 3x square minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Now this equation, which is not in standard form, after simplification we get an equation which is in standard form. So this expression, this equation is equal to this equation. We will take the values of a, b and c, put these values in this formula, which is called quadratic formula. Put the values, simplify and get the final answer like this. वैल्यूज आपके पास करेक्ट होनी चाहिए, फॉर्मूला में पुट करनी है, करेक्ट वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे और उसके बाद सिंप्लीफिकेशन है, यूज ऑफ कैलकुलेटर है. कैलकुलेटर यूज करना जो है, उसकी जितनी ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना ही आपका, ये स्टेप जो है ना भी करें तो आपको फुल मार्क्स जो है वो मिल जाएंगे. अगेन दिस इज नॉट एन इक्वेशन इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. दिस इज a minus b होल स्केयर. आइडेंटिटीज आपने पढ़ी थी, a plus b होल स्केयर, a minus b होल स्केयर. a minus b होल स्केयर is a square minus 2ab plus b square, और a plus b होल स्केयर is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we will first expand this a minus b होल स्केयर के फॉर्मूला से. So we will get 16x square minus 24. 4x का स्क्वायर 16x square 2ab. 2 into 4x is 8x. 8x into 3 is 24x and plus b square is 9. और इसकी एक्सपेंशन जो है वो 16x square plus 24x plus 9 equal to 25 ये वाला आ जाएगा. Now look at this, 20 plus 24x और minus 24x कैंसिल हो गए and we will left with 16x square plus 16x square 32x square. 9 plus 9 18. 32x square plus 18 और 25 राइट साइड से लेफ्ट साइड पे आके minus 25 हो जाएगा. So this is 32x square minus 7. Now x square will be equal to 7 over 32. पहले -7 को राइट साइड पे ले जाएंगे, +7 और 32 पे डिवाइड कर देंगे तो ये आ जाएगा. लेकिन ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है इक्वेशन, प्योर क्वाड्रेटिक है. तो सिंपली हम स्क्वायर रूट मेथड यूज करके इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे. सो एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 7/32, दोनों तरफ का स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे, वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x विच इज इक्वल टू दिस. स्क्वायर 7 को 32 पे डिवाइड करें, जो भी आंसर आए उसका स्क्वायर रूट ले लेंगे, तो आपके पास दो आंसर्स आ जाएंगे, एक प्लस वही वैल्यू और एक नेगेटिव वैल्यू आ जाएगी. Question number 4 again is in this equation the coefficient of x square and constant term are not whole numbers, they are fractions. fractions को ख़त्म करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं कि जो डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं fractions के, उन सारे डिनोमिनेटर्स का LCM ले लेते हैं. इसका डिनोमिनेटर 4 और इसका डिनोमिनेटर 2. 4 और 2 का LCM जो है वो 4 आएगा. 4 को पूरी इक्वेशन से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. 4 multiplied by left hand side of this equation and 4 multiplied by right hand side of this equation. अब ब्रैकेट रिमूव करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, ब्रैकेट से पहले जो भी नंबर है उसको हर टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 3/4, 4 से कैंसिल होके 3x स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2x is 8x and 4 multiplied by -1/2 mean 2 4s are 2. So this we will get 3x square plus 8x minus 2 equal to 0 because 4 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. This is the equation which is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. C is negative, a is positive and b is also positive. Take the values of a, b and c. Use these values in this formula. Simplify and get the final answer which is 0.230 and minus 2.90. So this is again an hidden quadratic equation. The right hand side of this is a square of two terms a minus b whole square. So first we will remove this bracket by expanding this using the identity a minus b whole square. 16x square minus 24x plus 9. Transfer 3x minus 4 from left hand side to right hand side. We will change the sign. 16x square minus 24x minus 3x plus 9 and plus 4 equal to 0. So our final equation is 16x square minus 27x plus 13 is equal to 0. Here a is 16, b is minus 27 and c is 13. Use these values in this formula. Simplify. Again the number in the under the square root sign is a negative number. So because the square root of a negative number does not exist, so our answer is not a real solution. So there is no real solution of this equation as well. So these are the questions of exercise 1b which we have solved by using the quadratic formula. You have to memorize this quadratic formula. So whenever you are asked to solve a quadratic equation, either use the factorization method. If the expression cannot be factorized, then you will go for the formula. Avoid using completing square method unless you are asked to do the question by using completing square method. So this is your homework. Solve these questions for practice. Keep doing practice because practice makes knowledge perfect. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe this channel and like or dislike the video when it is uploaded. Thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz.